How to sell digital products on Patreon, or how to sell ebook on Patreon. Once you're signed up to Patreon, you're going to go over to the bottom left hand corner and you're going to tap right where you see your profile name, and you want to ensure that you have selected creator. After tapping on creator, you'll realize that your page display has changed. Now you're going to tap on create in the bottom left hand corner and you're going to select product. After tapping on product, from here you could put in your ebook name for example's sake. So I'll just call it test ebook. And you could also write out a description. After doing that, you can upload the ebook pages by tapping on upload right here. And we could select the ebook, let's say for example this one. After doing that, we're going to be adding the ebook cover. To add the cover, you will select image from the top navigation bar. Then you're going to select browse and you can select the cover. So I'll add the cover right there. After the cover has been added, as you can see right there, we have also added the pages. We're just going to tap on next in the bottom right hand corner. After tapping on next, you can preview how it looks and you're going to scroll up and you have a few options. Who can access this post? You can choose for purchase only, as we'll be selling it, or if you'd like to offer it to paid members, you can select paid members, or if you'd like to offer it for free, you can select free members only. Then you're going to set the price that you would like to sell it for. You can also offer early access and so on. And you're just going to scroll down and you're going to tap on publish in the bottom right hand corner. And that's it. Your product is now live. From there, you'll now be able to copy and share the link and persons will now be able to purchase it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.